And thanks to that anticipated flooding, Red, White, and Boom is being postponed. Organizers in Davenport and Rock Island will meet later this week to discuss a new date that could be any time over the next couple of months. But the executive director of the Downtown Davenport Partnership says the biggest concern actually is not the height of the river.
It's really the current, just to clarify what the issue is, less than the height of the water. The barges, it's just not safe. They can't anchor safely in such fast-moving waters.
Now, a new date should be announced in the next week or two.